Okay guys, mag-iingat ang lahat. Just enjoy the moment. And mag-picture-picture po tayo, okay? Ingat guys!
This was my second trail run last February 15, Kumintang 25 trail run, 10 kilometers. But this time, ibang klase talaga ang experience. Maraming nagsasabi, tama na yan, delikado na yan, hindi na bagay. But I want to say this, to all men and women my age, do not quit before you even try. Hindi mo malalaman kung kaya mo kung hindi mo susubukan. Sometimes the only thing stopping us is fear. Fear of falling, fear of failing, fear of what others might say. But what is worse? Failing or living with regret because you never tried? If you keep moving forward, if you keep trusting God, you will reach the top. And when you do, the view is worth it.
Yung 0 kilometer nyo. Uy, yun may baka na naman.
Good to see you again.
Sa totoo lang, hindi ko in-expect na ganito siya ka-challenging. From the start pa lang, ramdam ko na agad ang difference. Hindi ito katulad ng road run na flat at steady ang pacing. Dito, rough terrains, uneven rocks, loose soil, matatarik na akyatan at mga pababang halos kailangan mong kumapit sa damo at puno para lang hindi ka madulas. May parts na talagang one step at a time. May parts na kailangan mong lumawak sa mga sanga. May mga steep descent na kailangan mong magtiwala sa balance mo at sa lakas ng tuhod mo.
Natural na, no?
Looking at Mount Batula, I felt so small yet so blessed. Blessed to still be strong, blessed to still move, blessed to witness God's beautiful creation at this stage of my life. Habang umaakyat kami sa makitid na trail na puro talahib at matataas na damo, iniisip ko, Lord, kaya ko pa ba ito? Pero bawat takban, I kept praying, Lord, samahan mo ako, bigyan mo ako ng lakas. And truly, God answered that prayer. Sa edad ko, I never imagined na aakyat ako sa ganitong klaseng trail. Hindi ko inakala na mararanasan ko pa ang ganitong adventure. Yung tipong kapit sa lupa, kapit sa puno, kapit sa bato, pero kapit din sa pananampalataya. Trail running taught me something very important. Life is not always smooth roads. Sometimes it is rocky. Sometimes it is steep. Sometimes you have to slow down. Sometimes you have to hold on tightly. May moment pa na habang bumababa kami sa batuan, Talagang careful na careful ako. One wrong step, pwede kang madulas. But I felt peace. I felt guided. And then, pagdating sa mga open ridges, nakita po ang ganda ng Mount Batulaw. Grabe, the view was breathtaking. Rolling hills, endless greens, and wide sky above us. Parang painting na gawa ng Diyos. Doon ko lalo na-realize this is not just a run. This is witnessing God's creation up close. Naalala ko ang Psalm 18:32. He makes my feet like the feet of a deer. He causes me to stand on the heights. Habang nakatayo ako sa taas, looking at the mountains, I felt that verse. God gave me steady feet. God allowed me to stand on those heights. Hindi dahil malakas ako, but because God is faithful. All glory belongs to Him. Kung wala ang guidance at blessing ng Panginoon, hindi ko ito magagawa. Every step was a prayer. Every climb was an act of trust. You will never know that you can still climb mountains, literal man o figurative, unless you take that first step. Hindi lang ito tungkol sa trail running, it's about life. Maybe may pangarap ka pa, maybe may gusto ka pang gawin, maybe may bagong bagay na gusto mong subukan. Try! With wisdom, with preparation, but try. And most importantly, put your trust in God. Kapag ang Diyos ang kasama mo, kahit rough terrain pa ang buhay, may lakas ka. Kapag ang Diyos ang gabay mo, kahit matarik ang akyatan, may pag-asa ka. Also, thank you to Altra for giving me the right shoes to handle those rocky and steep trails. Napakalaking tulong ng grip at comfort lalo na sa uneven terrain. Thank you, Benedict, for the opportunity to experience this challenging yet beautiful trail. At syempre, hindi ko ito magawa mag-isa. Thank you to my friend Cora, to my nephew Richard, and to my son Wendell. They assisted me in every step. They made sure I was safe, especially sa mga dangerous descent. That kind of support means everything. Sa lahat ng sumuporta sa akin along the race, sa mga nag-cheer, nag-guide, at nag-encourage, maraming salamat. You inspire me just as much as I inspire you. All glory and honor to God. God bless us all, and I will see you on the road or maybe on the trails again.